Hey, hi. Today we are going to see demonstration of creation of custom item. Okay. So after opening BMIDE, so we need to go to here search option and then type item. After that, click on this. You are able to see this business object item. Then right click on this business object, new business object. Here we need to type the custom name. Okay, whatever you want that name you can write here. Okay, I am writing test item, or you can write demo item here. See here, I am writing demo item. Okay, then click on finish. So you are able to see here demo item. So double click on that. So this item will get created here. And after that, you can see a revision also by double clicking on that. Revision also it will get open here. Okay, so after deploying this item, you are able to see this item in the rich client. Thank you.